Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. This video is all about tips on renovating your kitchen when you're on a tight budget. Kitchen renovations can become quite expensive. They're easily the most expensive room in your home to renovate, especially if you're installing all new cabinetry and new countertops and new flooring. It all adds up. So if you don't have the budget for a full gut job and a completely new kitchen, I've got some great ideas on how to change the look of your kitchen without doing a complete renovation. These are small changes that can bring new life to your old kitchen. So let's get to it. Pick one tip or a few. Either way, these tips will transform your kitchen, especially if you're on a tight budget. The first tip in truly transforming your kitchen is to use paint. Paint your cabinets. If you're not happy with the current finish on your cabinets, you can absolutely change the whole look of your kitchen by painting your kitchen cabinets. If you feel your wood cabinets look dated, tired, or dark, then paint them. You can paint them all one color and brighten up the space. I love this pale neutral for a kitchen. Or this lovely warm neutral. Or you can be a bit more daring and paint them two colors like this. I love this fresh combination of green on the lower cabinets and white on the uppers. And here we see that again. Or go even bolder with a deep charcoal or black on your lowers. This two-toned kitchen trend isn't going anywhere, so you might want to try it out. If you have a kitchen island, consider painting just the island a great color. Painting your cabinets can completely change the look of your kitchen, and although it may be a fairly big project, once you're done, nothing is more transformative. The next big tip that I can give you to transform your kitchen is actually to take something away. Sometimes older kitchens are just full of cabinets, making your kitchen feel closed off, cumbersome, and heavy. Why not remove some upper cabinets to create a bit of breathing room? Here in this transformation, the uppers around the range hood were completely eliminated, and now the new range hood fan has become a real focal point. If you still need storage, removing upper cabinets and replacing them with open shelves can create a more open and interesting look. I love all the ways you can fill your shelves and make everything easily accessible. Here, a run of cabinets were removed and the open shelves were added in the same wood finish. And notice how the kitchen as a whole feels more open and lighter. Some older kitchens had small details that today we might think are just a bit too dated, like the scalloped apron above the sink, connecting the cabinets on either side. This piece just closes off the kitchen, and it especially closes off the window. By removing just this small detail, all of a sudden the window feels larger and the kitchen feels more open. Another great way to change up the look of your upper cabinets is to remove the cabinet doors. If you're looking for a way to change the look of your kitchen to a more restaurant-style look, removing the doors is a great way to keep everything at your fingertips, just like most professional kitchens. It also makes the kitchen feel more open and lighter, so long as you're organized with all the stuff in your cabinets, since it will be on full display. And you can be strategic about which doors you may want to remove. A key thing to remember with this tip is that most likely you'll be using paint to help make this new open cabinet look as though they were always meant to be open. You could even be a bit creative and paint the back panels of the cabinets a different color. This will really make your items pop. And wallpaper is a great way to add color and pattern to your kitchen. This tip is also great if you're renting your space and can't actually make major changes to your kitchen. Just remove the doors and keep them and their hinges safe. Add peel and stick wallpaper to the inside of the cabinets, and then when you leave, you'll be able to return your kitchen to your landlord the way you found it. And one more important tip about removing your doors, don't forget to actually decorate and style your open cabinets. Think about how things are arranged and mix in some greenery too. It's an opportunity for you to decorate your kitchen. One of the most expensive elements in a new kitchen renovation are the countertops, especially if you would like stone counters. But butcher block countertops are much less expensive than quartz, granite, or marble, and they can really change the overall look of your kitchen. So if you've got plastic laminate counters, a great option is butcher block. I love the look of wood along with a painted kitchen. It's so charming. There is some maintenance involved, and seaming is something you should really take into consideration. Maybe instead of using butcher block around the perimeter of your kitchen, it's a great way to change the look of your kitchen island. Are you enjoying this video? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below which of these ideas you would incorporate into your own kitchen renovation. Also, if you need personalized design help from me, I offer up 30-minute design consultations through Patreon. Head to my page for all the details or stick around until the end of this video for more information. This tip can make a huge impact and it's so easy. Changing your hardware to something a little more updated or even changing it to a new finish. Just make sure the spacing between the holes in the existing hardware is the same and you're off to the races. But guess what? If you're painting your kitchen cabinets, then you can fill in the old holes, paint, and then you can purchase all new door handles in whatever size you want. No restrictions. In addition to your hardware selection, you may want to change up the other metals in your kitchen. Changing out your kitchen faucet to match your new hardware finish is a great way to change the look of your kitchen. Maybe introduce that new hardware finish into your lighting too. Or better yet, if you really want to update your kitchen, mix your metals. I love this antique brass faucet paired with polished nickel hardware on the doors. Or these brushed nickel faucets with champagne gold handles and a brushed brass wall sconce. Stick to no more than 2 or 3 different metals and update your kitchen just by changing out the hardware, lighting, and faucets. Sometimes the biggest thing missing in an outdated kitchen is a focal point, and color is an easy and effective way to do this. Create a brand new focal point by painting one key element in your kitchen, like the range hood. Or paint a key wall, even if it's got shelves like this. Or add an element of pattern to create a focal point. Tile backsplash is a great way to introduce an exciting new tile to your kitchen space. Another way to update the look of your kitchen without renovating the whole kitchen is to change out the backsplash. A kitchen backsplash is one of the most important elements in your kitchen. If you want your backsplash to be a strong design element, go bold. An all-over bright, bold color for your backsplash will make serious impact. I love backsplashes that go all the way up to the ceiling. It just adds so much color and that shiny texture is so amazing. Or you can be a bit more subtle with your backsplash and keep it classic. Or add subtle pattern. Imagine what this kitchen would look like if all you did was change the backsplash tile. The options are endless when it comes to the look of your backsplash and how it changes the whole look of your kitchen. And don't forget, you can add full slabs of quartz or stone. It doesn't have to be tile. New kitchens are all about adding light in ways that are practical and discreet. For instance, under cabinet lighting provides task lighting, super important in making your kitchen more productive. LED strip lighting can be added to your kitchen for that modern touch. New kitchen designs may include lighting in the toe kick area, a great safety feature if you want to make your kitchen more accessible. You can add strip lighting to this area of your kitchen and add that extra layer of lighting. You can add lighting to the insides of your cabinets as well. They look great in the evenings and can become a huge part of the ambiance in your kitchen. Updating your lighting should include your decorative lighting as well. Kitchen island pendants can easily change the look of your overall kitchen. This look is completely different from this look. If you're getting an electrician to come in and change some of these lighting features, maybe look into updating your recessed pot lights in your ceiling. Old pot lights, or cans as some of my American viewers might call them, can really date your kitchen. Recessed LED pot lights are more efficient and they look much more sleek. It's a great update. And lastly, one of the best ways to change the look of your kitchen involves decorating. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Adding artwork to your kitchen is such a great way to add your own personality to your kitchen. All you need is some wall space or some counter space, or maybe even an open shelf. Part of decorating your home involves adding layers, and one of the best ways to soften up the look of your kitchen is by adding a carpet runner on the floor. It fills up the floor space with an opportunity for color and pattern. Add fabric by adding window treatments like this light and barely there cafe curtain, or a striped Roman shade. Maybe look for kitchen island stools in a great color. And I love the pattern and texture of these Parisian bistro stools, along with those stunning blue and white vases. Decorating can change the whole look. So here's your takeaway. One of the most expensive rooms in your home to renovate is your kitchen. From cabinetry to counters to lighting, it can all add up very quickly. But if you're on a tight budget, you can transform your kitchen to update the look and feel. From a can of paint for a new focal point to new lighting and hardware and even just a touch of decor, the opportunities are endless. It's all about having a vision for your new kitchen and making it happen. Take one of these tips or a whole slew of these tips, your old kitchen will look new and on budget. If you love kitchen design, I have several videos you may want to watch. Make sure you watch this video, this year's kitchen trends that I'm loving. I'll link this one and a whole bunch of other videos down below. Let me know in the comments below which of these kitchen renovation tips you think will truly transform your space. I can't wait to hear all about what you're loving. Also, make sure to head to my Patreon page and become a patron. Not only can you support this channel and help me make more videos like this one, but I've also got a special VIP tier where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. So if you need personalized interior design advice, it's a great way to connect with me directly. Head to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. And a big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.